Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you back. If you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be cutting this female palazzo tight fitting pants. First of all, we'll go to the full rise region. We'll take 3 inches away from the edge. Then we'll do our marking to ensure that we have a good full rise marking. And thereafter, we'll draw a line to connect very clearly. Then we'll go to the waistline. We'll take a depth of about 1.5 inches. The full rise depth is about 10 inches. Then you mark so very clearly. Then we'll connect the waistline to the tip of the other end. Then the hip is going to be divided into 4. Then we'll use one part of it to create this curve we'll be having here. Then you just connect it, Then you connect the waist to the hip and it's going to be giving you a nice curve. The waist divided by 4. Also, then you connect this line, you're having this curve. I'm using freehand sketch. You can also use your pattern if you choose to, if you have not mastered how to use freehand sketch. Then thereafter, I'm going to be getting the tie. The tie also divided by 2 will give us that. Then the tie length I'm using the waist to the tie. I'm using about 20 inches. That's what I measured for this client. Then I will do the marking of the total length of the trouser, which is about 40 inches. I'm adding 2 inches to make it 42. Then I'll draw a straight line to connect these lines together. Then after connecting these lines together, I'm going to go ahead to mark the tie. The tie divided by 2, I'm connecting that line. The tie divided by 2 give us this marking we're having here. Then the ankle also I'm using for this client is about 20 inches. After connecting the tie divided by 2, then I have this. Then I'll draw that. It's a step-by-step measurement and drawing. Then I'll draw a line to connect. After marking the tie, making tie measurement, which is about half the total measurement circumference of the tie. Then now I'll be connecting the nail to the full length, leaving about 1 inch away from the edge. Then the knee divided by 2 will give us the circumference. The ankle divided by 2 will give us the base circumference also. So we'll mark one part of the circumference at this side and the other part at the other end. Then we'll draw a straight line to connect, just like so. And I'll be drawing a straight line to connect what I've marked. I just want it to be very clear because of the sake of this tutorial I'm making. I'm drawing the other line too to make sure it's very visible. I hope you can see it so very clearly. Then I will go ahead to cut what I've drawn. While I'm cutting with great care to ensure that the fabric doesn't just fold because of the nature of the fabric. Then I place the front piece on the back piece. To get this back piece, I have to make the full rise region to be 3 inches away from the edge, then 1.5 inches from the top side. I will connect with a straight line and connect with the base of the full rise. Then the waistline, I'm going up by 2 inches to give us a good waistline that will be holding the hip so very well of this client because of the volume of the hip, Then I'll go to the base. I'm taking 2 inches there. I'll come up here to take 2 inches at the calf region. Then here I'm taking 2.5 inches. Then I'll connect these lines together just like so. After connecting this line, I am going to go ahead to draw the line to connect the base so very clearly. Then I'll go ahead to cut. While cutting, ensure that the fabric doesn't shift, because if it shifts, when you sew the pants, when you sew this palazzo trouser, it will not balance well. To make it balance well, make sure your fabric doesn't shift. Then you go ahead to cut so very clearly, so very meticulously. Wow, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Do well to subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to cut the top of this trouser.